today. Hope you are keeping safe. Welcome to my channel, Ridhma's Kitchen. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get all the recipes and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I am going to make chocolate chip cookies. These Nutella stuffed chocolate chip cookies are a must make. They are absolutely amazing. Thick and chewy chocolate cookies filled with gooey pockets of Nutella. It feels like heaven in every bite. So let's start with the ingredients. For the Nutella chocolate chip cookies, we will need 8 to 10 tablespoons of Nutella, half teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour. This is 250 grams of cup, so take the measurement accordingly. Half cup chocolate chip, half teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt and 100 grams of butter. First we will take out Nutella in a plate. I have placed the parchment paper first and then I am going to take out half teaspoon of Nutella in plate. Just keep a little distance in between them and take it out. If you are making bigger cookies, take out bigger pieces of Nutella. I am not going to bake very big cookies, so I am going to just take out small sizes of Nutella scoops. I am going to bake around 15 cookies, so approximately that much I am going to take out the Nutella. After this I am going to place it in the freezer for 1 hour for me to handle it properly and fill it inside the cookie. I have taken 100 grams of unsalted butter in a bowl. This is at room temperature. Please make sure that your butter is at room temperature. To this I am going to add half cup of brown sugar and mix it. After this I am going to add 1/4 cup of white sugar. You can take icing sugar, caster sugar. I have just taken a normal sugar and blend it in the blender and make it a powder. All my sugar and butter is mixed together. You can see. Please make sure all the sugar is dissolved before you proceed to the next step. After this I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and mix it well. Our milk is mixed. Now I am going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it well too. Now I am taking a sieve and putting baking powder in this, pinch of salt as well as half of the all-purpose flour, that is maida. First we will mix half of it and then we will mix the other half with a spatula. Slowly just bind it all together. Half the all-purpose flour is combined. Now we are going to pass the other half also through a sieve. It is around 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Now I am going to fold in also this one. Please make sure that your maida is well combined with your butter mixture. The cookie batter is well combined. Please make sure that there is no lumps in the cookie batter. To this, now I am going to add my half cup chocolate chip. For the chocolate chip, please bear in mind, the more the better. My dough is done. Now I am going to keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes to let it set. I am going to scoop out all the Nutella that I have taken out from the freezer. See how easily it comes out. Now I am going to scoop out a tablespoon of cookie dough and make a circle in your hand, and then put the Nutella inside and make it in the form of a circle like this, and keep it aside. Again, one more. Scoop out the cookie dough, make a circle, take Nutella, put it inside and close it. The cookies are done. Now I am going to put it in the baking tray. We have to keep a distance of at least 3 to 4 centimeters in between them, so that when they become big, they don't stick together. Now I am going to put little more chocolate chip on top of the cookies, so it looks more attractive when it is finished baking. This is just optional. I like my cookies loaded with chocolate chip. Before baking, I am going to put it in the fridge for 10 minutes so that it is set before I put it in the oven. I am going to bake it for 15 minutes at 180 degrees in my OTG. Just couple of more. I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Now I am going to put my cookie for 12 to 15 minutes. We'll check in between if it is cooked or not. My cookies are done. It took around 12 minutes in my oven. Maybe it will take 10 to 15 minutes for every oven to cook. All the ovens are different, so please check your oven after 10 minutes whether your cookies are cooked or not. Now I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes to let it cool down before I take it out from the tray. I hope you like my recipe. Please read my notes for clarification or ask me any question in the comments below. Thank you all for watching my video, and if you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel so as not to miss any new recipes. I will try and post the new videos soon. Till then, take care and bye. Stay safe.